Hey, Joe here, your reliability man, bridging the gap between best practices and your reality with a 1 minute coaching for maintenance managers. And this is part two of 7 of my 1 minute challenges. Lesson one for maintenance managers: you have a massive wrench time opportunity. Lesson two: if you don't, you're not looking. Wrench time I found in 33 locations I've been to and did these studies, all 33 of them. Wrench time ranged between 30% and 50% of what the leadership team thought it was. And you make completely different decisions if your wrench time's 15% versus 30. Completely different than you think it's 45. Okay, so hey, go out there and observe 2 to 3 days, full shift. Don't tell me you don't have enough time. You have time to make good decisions. Wrench time is the springboard. Wrench time is springboard for planned work going up, unplanned work going down, PDM going up, problem solving going up, OEE, drama going down, for attacking waste. It's the springboard to every reliability program that I tried to deploy. It started with wrench time and attacking that and putting those resources to work on these things. It'll be great for you. Begin your journey, folks. This isn't that hard. If you get pointers from me, great. Send me an email. Love to hear from you.